Hi guys, this is Dhir and welcome back to my channel Itechcreator. Guys, in this video I am going to unboxing this mouse. You can see guys, this parcel is from Flipkart. Gaming mouse. I am ordered the gaming mouse. So guys, let's see and watch the full video. I am going to unboxing this mouse. 2174 Indian rupees. Let's see. Guys, I am going to unboxing and review this RGB gaming mouse. Guys, so with this mouse you can setting 1000 dpi to 6200 dpi. So guys, this mouse is amazing for gaming. This is the professional gaming mouse. So guys, as you can see here, this is a HP wear mouse G360. Actually this is for gaming. For setting DPI, 6 button, 1 2 3 4 5 6 keys can be programmable with this mouse. You can see guys, this is the gaming mouse guys. Gold plated USB, you can see guys. So let's check. I'm going to connect to the PC. Their price is 2499, but guys, I am placed the order 2174. Guys, this is the 3D scroll wheel and left button and right button, and this is the backward and this is the forward. So guys, you can setting up to 6200 dpi. You can see guys, white dpi, 1500 dpi, cyan, green, orange, blue, purple. White dpi is 1000, cyan dpi is 1500, blue dpi is 2500, green is 3000, purple is 5500, and orange is 6200 dpi. So guys, you can see, you can setting in this way. So guys, let's check. I'm playing the game. This is the 3000, blue 2500. So let's check. I'm playing the Free Fire. Now the mouse is setting in 2500 dpi. Wow, super! This is the amazing mouse guys. You can also try with this mouse. Let's see on the dark plus. You can see guys how looks. Wow, beautiful. Good looks and ergonomic design.